HMC Commercial Painting Contractors, Edenvale. Interior, exterior and roof painting for commercial and industrial clients in Edenvale. At HMC Commercial Painting, we bring experience, reliability, and quality craftsmanship to every commercial painting project. From offices and retail spaces to warehouses, schools, and industrial facilities, our team is committed to delivering finishes that last and spaces that inspire. Our coatings and systems are designed for South Africa's harsh climate, UV-resistant, waterproof, and durable enough to withstand high traffic and tough environments. With expert preparation and professional application, we ensure every project is completed on time, on budget, and with minimal disruption to your business. We revitalize worn exteriors, tired interiors, and aging surfaces with expert repairs, thorough preparation, and premium coatings. Using proven techniques, we bring buildings back to pristine condition while improving their durability and performance. At HMC Works, health and safety are a top priority on every project. Each site is overseen by a dedicated project manager, supported by a site supervisor who also serves as a health and safety officer, and an on-site emergency first aider. Our materials and methods meet all relevant industry standards and environmental regulations, helping you maintain fully compliant, inspection-ready premises while ensuring safe, efficient, and professional project delivery. Since 2008, HMC Works has been transforming commercial and industrial properties with unmatched skill and professionalism. Over the years, we've honed our techniques and built a reputation for delivering high-quality, long-lasting finishes on every project, no matter the size or complexity. At HMC Works, we use only top-grade commercial paints and protective coatings, carefully selected to provide durable, weather-resistant, and long-lasting finishes. Every product is chosen to withstand South Africa's harsh climate and high-traffic environments, ensuring your commercial property looks professional for years to come. At HMC Works, we ensure every commercial project is carried out on a clean, organized, and professional worksite. Our teams take care to protect your property, minimize disruption, and leave the premises spotless once the job is complete, so your business can operate smoothly without compromise. HMC Works commercial painting services are designed for South Africa's demanding business environments, ensuring minimal disruption to your operations while delivering long-lasting, professional results. Our teams offer flexible scheduling to suit your commercial hours. From compact retail spaces to large industrial facilities, we provide flawless, durable finishes on the first attempt, keeping your business looking its best while maintaining productivity. We combine expert preparation, high-quality materials, and skilled application to ensure every project not only looks exceptional but also stands the test of time. With HMC Works, you can trust your property is in the hands of experienced professionals committed to excellence on every job. If you are looking for durable, professional interior, exterior and roof coatings for modern workspaces, or UV-resistant finishes for storefronts that withstand weather and traffic, or easy-to-clean, high-performance coatings for heavy-use areas, or tough, long-lasting coatings for classrooms, lecture halls, labs, and communal areas, ensuring compliance and durability, give HMC Works a call today to arrange a quotation.